You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 34, closing an incident ticket raised on behalf of a user. Let's move ahead. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. If you can see, I am logged in into home.atlassian as Bill Walsh. Now let's move ahead. We'll click on Jira Service Management, and under spaces we are going to click on NetSoft IT Academy, NetSoft IT Service Management. Let me show it to you once again. I'm logged in as Bill Walsh. Click on Jira Service Management. Under spaces, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We'll expand incident and we'll click on open incident. We'll open this incident on which we were working in previous lab. Now let's move ahead and scroll down. In activity, we'll validate the comment from Brian Tracy. The first thing first, comment from Brian Tracy, that means from user. Okay. Now let's move ahead. We are going to change the status from pending to investigate. We will add internal comment, and we are informing our team that I will be working on network driver upgrade for Brian Tracy this Monday as confirmed. Okay. Investigate. Let me just cancel it and perform once again. Click on investigate. Investigate. Okay. So now the request is in work in progress. Now let's move ahead and we are going to resolve this incident. We'll click on work in progress and then we'll select resolve. Resolution is done. We will add an internal comment. Issue has been resolved. Click on resolve. So that's it. We have resolved the incident. Now it's time to log in as Brian Tracy and have a look at the request status. For that, we will close this. Let's log out from here. Close it. Log out from here as well. And then we are going to log in as Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy. Top left corner, next to home, click on Jira Service Management. And then top right corner, click on profile, go to request. And here you see there is no open request as of now. So what we need to do? We will uncheck and we will check it. We will uncheck open request and we will check, or we will select close request. I will repeat, we will unselect open requests and we will select close request. Okay. So now what was the request? NIA 5. Summary was system is not connecting to network. Here it says completed. Let's open it. And let's check this. Okay, the status is completed. Yes, status is completed. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.